God says, I know that life is hard at times. I know that the difficulties that life presents cause you pain. I need you to remember that I stand with you. I love you. God says, get up, grab my hand. You will not drown. I love you. God says, I know that you worry often. I know how hard it is to feel that anxiety. I know that you no longer want to hold on to it. Give it to me. I love you. God says, I don't need you to have all the answers and to know exactly what to do in every situation. I need you to ask me for guidance. I love you. God says, I know what you need. Come to me, I will restore your life. I love you. God says, I need you to stop bringing yourself down. You have made mistakes, now you can learn from them. I love you. God says, seek me and you will find me. Ask, and it will be given to you. Do not give up. I love you. God says, I will lead you where I need you. Have faith. I love you. God says, do not lean on your own understanding, your heart can be deceitful. Put your trust in me. I love you. Dear God, my heart is hurting. It's been hurting for quite some time now. I'm scared of the future, to be honest. I know you're in control. It's just hard to accept that right now. I love you. God says, I understand that you have a lot of dreams and desires in life. I understand why they hold such a desire in your heart. However, I want you to trust me that at times what you want will lead you away from the calling that I placed in your life. I love you. Dear God, I know I haven't been the most humble person, but please forgive me. I am sorry. Please humble me. I love you. God says, I want you to be aware of your thoughts. Your thoughts influence your behavior. And so, if you're not thinking about me, then you won't pursue me. However, if you begin to focus on me, then you'll pursue me, and you'll experience the peace I give. I love you. God says, I can handle your pain. I can handle your emotions. Come to me. Give me your anxieties. I will restore you. I love you. God says, be strong and courageous. My spirit dwells inside of you. Do not be afraid. I am with you. I love you. God says, if you are tired of walking without direction, and you want to find direction, then come to me. I am here for you. I will lead you through the darkness into the light. I love you. God says, I know how tired you are of getting hurt. I feel your pain. You are not alone right now. I am with you. I love you. God says, my daughter and son, this world needs more leaders to spread love, hope, and forgiveness. I need you to be the example. I love you. God says, rest tonight. You have done so much and your body needs rest. There is a time for everything. And right now, it is time to rest. I love you.